As the sun sets, your body prepares for its most critical phase, restoration. Sleep is not merely a period of rest. It is an active metabolic process. While your mind dreams, your biology works to balance hormones, repair tissues, and regulate how you store energy tomorrow. A disrupted night is more than just feeling tired. It is a signal that your inner clock is losing its rhythm. True metabolic balance requires alignment with nature's cycles. When we support our evening routine with pure, calming nutrients, we allow the body to enter deep, restorative sleep. This is where active recovery happens. By calming the nervous system, you unlock natural vitality from the inside out. Creating a peaceful evening ritual is an act of self-care. At Ima Silva, we evaluate the best natural solutions to help you restore your biological rhythm and support your wellness goals. Discover our curated evening protocols through the link in the description below. Sleep deeply. Live vibrantly. Welcome to Ima Silva.